All right, folks. I want to do a quick video, driving around, picking up some food, and I look at Coin Market Cap or Live Coin Watch, and I see Bitcoin has flash crashed. I haven't seen one of these flash crashes for a while. I actually was talking about this a few weeks ago in a video. A couple years ago, back in 2018, 2019, you'd have these amazing flash crashes where Bitcoin would just drop like $2,000 in like an hour. And of course, the altcoins would drop like, 20 or 30%. It was absolutely heinous. And then, by the next day, we're basically crawling back up. Now, is that what's going to happen right now? I really don't know. There is some bad news that a lot of people did anticipate a little bit of a crash. For one, you have there's the Silvergate Bank, which, Bitcoin slides with wider crypto markets amid Silvergate fallout. The digital asset industry is absorbing the fallout of the troubles at crypto-friendly U.S. bank Silvergate Capital Corp. The bank offers a widely used payment network that facilitates the real-time transfers of money between crypto firms. Many crypto exchanges, stablecoin issuers, and trading desks are no longer accepting or initiating payment through Silvergate. And of course, Coinbase came out with their announcement this morning that they no longer had ties to Silvergate. Would that really cause a dump? I don't know. Maybe it causes a little bit of uncertainty in the market, but this happened this morning. So actually last night, I think that news came out. So we didn't dump until now. The other thing that people were talking about is Mt. Gox. Here's a story from yesterday. Mt. Gox bankruptcy repayment unlikely to destabilize Bitcoin. Early adopters are likely to have remained crypto believers, and so they will choose to be paid in Bitcoin and keep it, a report from the firm said. But so basically this Mt. Gox, this exchange that went under like 10 years ago, I think this week, maybe even now, I don't even know, but if people decide to cash out of this exchange, the Mt. Gox, I believe, holds a bunch of Bitcoin that they would have to sell. Now, is Bitcoin jumping because Mt. Gox is selling Bitcoin, or is Bitcoin dumping because people expect Mt. Gox to sell Bitcoin? I don't know. Sometimes with these flash crashes, there's really no reason. It's just like, longs, there's a bunch of longs stacked up and they basically get liquidated. It's as simple as that. There's a lot of uncertainty right now. You kind of have stocks all over the place. You have the inflation talk where everybody thinks that the Fed is going to have to kind of go heavy because those inflation numbers weren't as low as they thought. There's so many reasons we can throw out there over why Bitcoin's dumping. For me, I want to see Bitcoin really hold above $22,000. If we're below $22,000 tomorrow morning, that's not going to be too bullish in my opinion. And of course, we're already seeing now a lot of these altcoins are getting pulverized. We got Cardano back down to 33 cents, Matic down to $1.15. I mean, Dogecoin hit pretty hard, back on 7.5 cents. And we do have that Litecoin under $89. If Litecoin does go under $85, I am going to pick some up. Although I still think it's high, although Litecoin is down 7%. And we do have Theta at $1.06. So Theta is down 9%. Theta pumps hard and it dumps hard. So you might get your chance to buy your Theta for under $1, folks. You guys, I know there's some of you guys out there who kind of regret not buying it. So here's your second chance. But I'm just basically making this video to say, look, I've seen so many flash crashes in my 6-7 years in crypto. At first, they're kind of scary because, you're not used to seeing this kind of dump in traditional markets. But a lot of times we do recover. There is a possibility tomorrow we're back above $23,000. If we are, this whole thing can get brushed off. But we still have another year until that Bitcoin halving. So we could kind of slowly trail down and maybe hit $21,000, $20,000, and then bounce hard from there. I don't think we're going to go back down to like $15,000 or anything like that, like a lot of really bearish people are saying. We're really kind of in the early stages of this dump. But like I said, folks, I've seen so many of these flash crashes, they don't even faze me anymore. It's kind of interesting. I was kind of bored tonight, And this flash crash has kind of like invigorated me. Like, oh, good. Now I can like look for something to buy, look for some crypto to buy, or like, you know, at least just follow the markets. You know, all the YouTubers are making videos right now, so at least I have something to watch before I go to bed tonight. I mean, that's kind of how I look at all this stuff now. It just like, it doesn't faze me at all. But I do want to see Bitcoin recover. So I think there is a strong possibility we'll be back above $23,000 tomorrow, but I wouldn't bet on it. Just in my previous experience, usually we dump hard and then we basically recover. Maybe we'll recover back up to like $23,000 and just kind of like stay there for a while. But I don't think we're just going to keep dumping. I mean, we're not going to dump down to like $20,000 tonight. That would be crazy. So we are kind of due for a little bit of a bounce. But hey, look, this is crypto, so I don't want to make too many short-term predictions. This video is just basically to say, hey, look, I've seen it before. I've been through this. Bitcoin has flash crashes, nothing new. In fact, I was kind of shocked we weren't getting many flash crashes over the last few months because everything was kind of stable. We were kind of like shooting up over the last couple months, or at least since December. And seeing some of this volatility back is kind of refreshing, to be honest with you. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but that's part of the fun of Bitcoin. That's part of the fun in crypto. It's just kind of like this volatility. So if you're out there, I'll probably do a video tomorrow about shopping, you know, for cheaper coins if we continue to dump. But there is a strong possibility we'll be back up above $23,000 tomorrow. It really depends on the stock market. But just look at this as an opportunity. If you can get your Theta under $1 again, Cardano under 30 cents, if we go there again, folks, if the crypto gods are giving you another chance, please don't be on my comments in a few months saying, man, I should have bought Theta under $1, you know, or Cardano at 33 or at under 30 cents, because you've had so many opportunities now. So let's just follow the market, see what happens, and then tomorrow I'll make another video. But as of now, yeah, it sucks. It's a flash crash. We're down like, what, $1,200, $1,500 for Bitcoin, down 4%. A lot of altcoins down 8, 9, 10%. But this is nothing new, folks. This is nothing new. All right, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.